Hi guys, I'm back. Today we have a electric kettle that doesn't turn on. The brand is Azor. I don't know where it come from, but I have to repair it today. It's a digital type with a temperature monitor, and because it's a little bit huge, I open it off camera. Let me to open it. This is the turning key, on off key, and this is the rear cap, and this 3 circuit board, and in the middle the power inlet. This is the heater. These two lead is for heater, and now we have to find where is the problem. Okay, let me to take out the circuits off camera and show you the circuit boards. Okay guys, after overall investigation, I found the capacitor that need to be recapped. As you see, the capacitor is bulging and it's out of order, and I have to change it. This is the relay board. That this relay is on of the power of the heater, and it's I think it's the problem of this electric kettle. Let me to change the capacitor, and after that I will show you that it's work or no. Also, this is the control board. There is a potentiometer on it for adjusting the temperature and turn it on and off. And also here it is a temperature monitor that's showing the adjusting temperature here. And as you see, there's a double segment here for showing the adjusting temperature. Okay guys, because it's, as you see, this is heavily soldering, I cannot desolder it, and I just want to recap this capacitor while the wire is connected. Okay, at last I succeed to take the capacitor out. As you see, this is a 6.3 1000 microfarad, 6.3 volts, 1000 microfarad. Let me to find the capacitor and solder it. Okay, I want some capacitor, 6.3 volts, 1000 microfarad. And now I want to solder it. I use some soldering paste for better soldering quality, and as you see, I solder the new capacitor on the board. The cover, and I want to check it now. As you see, this temperature monitor showing the temperature of the water now, and this is the on-off key. With this you can adjust the setting temperature, and it's working, and by touching it, it's turned on. Yes guys, as you see, the water is trying to boil. I turn it off for the noise, and as you see, the temperature of the water goes high. Please subscribe the channel and like the video guys. Thanks and bye for now.